Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Google Meet. So here I've already opened the Google Meet apps, and if you have already had a code or a meeting code in Google Meet, you can just start click on the join with a code. This one right here, and then here you can just enter the code that you get from your friends or your colleagues to start or to join the meeting. So for example, like this. Okay, I'm going to delete that and then click on join. Okay, so here you've already joined the meeting, and when the other attendance of the meeting join, you can just start the meeting. So you can join, and just like that you're in the meeting. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can join Google Meet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye.